When it comes to enviable hair, you'd be hard-pushed to find someone with more universally appealing locks than Catherine, the Princess of Wales, whether she's posing for portraits, attending exclusive soirees, or meeting the public. Her hair is always picture-perfect. Despite facing cancer and going through chemo, it looked so healthy that it sparked a frenzy of reactions online. Some were in awe of her strength and beauty, while others were left buzzing with curiosity. There are three common myths about the princess's hair, and it's important to clear up the rumors surrounding her supposed baldness. Last week, Catherine paid an emotional visit to the hospital where she had received her treatment. She met with doctors and patients, including a woman named Catherine Field, who was undergoing chemo and wearing a device known as a cold cap at the time. While her hair is as gorgeous as ever in her birthday portrait taken last summer, eagle-eyed royal fans noticed that it looked a little different with more curls than we're used to seeing. According to her expert Nicole Petty of Top Salon Milk and Blush, this could be down to cancer treatment, which can cause hair to change in texture. While the royal mum of three appears to be embracing her new curls, it notes they might not be here to stay. On October 2nd, 2024, a deeply moving moment occurred at Windsor Castle when Princess Catherine embraced 16-year-old Liz Hatton, a young photographer bravely battling a rare and aggressive tumor. Liz's short hair, a result of her intense fight against cancer, contrasted sharply with Catherine's healthy-looking locks, a detail that did not escape notice. Social media buzzed with comments particularly focusing on Catherine's hair. Some users vowed skepticism, with one questioning, how did Catherine not lose any hair after chemo? Another commented sarcastically, how come all the real cancer patients are without hair and your hair just keeps getting longer? Media images can be deceptive, often influenced by lighting angle or editing, and may not show her hair as it truly is. Fortunately, medical experts reassure that not all chemotherapy treatments cause hair loss. While certain medications are notorious for significant thinning or hair loss, others have milder side effects. Some curious facts about hair loss during chemo. Hair loss alopecia is one of the side effects of chemotherapy that many patients fear the most. In fact, up to 14% of women refuse chemotherapy just because of this. Chemotherapy drugs attack fast-growing cancer cells, but they also harm other fast-growing cells like hair cells. Field recently opened up about her surprise visit from the Princess of Wales, and it seems that speaking with Catherine was just like speaking with any other survivor. She added that the princess spoke with her about her cold cap, a device designed to help minimize hair loss in chemo patients. Field went on to reveal that the princess did not use a cap herself, as she was apparently unconcerned about the prospect of losing her hair throughout the past year. Catherine has mostly kept mum about the details of her illness and treatment. In fact, we still don't know what sort of cancer she was battling, so her candid comments to Field are somewhat surprising. But that wasn't the first time that Catherine had opened up about her healing journey, and now that she and Prince William are royal patrons of the hospital where she was treated, we're guessing that Kate will speak about her experiences more frequently. Changes to your hair texture and color as your hair regrows are often surprising side effects of treatment. While not all hair textures will change as a result of cancer treatments, it's not uncommon to see some differences in how your hair behaves. People may go from having straight hair their whole life to curly hair known as chemo curls. This is because the chemotherapy chemicals can attack not only your cancer cells, but also your hair follicle cells, causing them to change. It's important to keep in mind that this is likely a temporary change. It usually takes between 6 to 12 months for hair to return to its original texture, though some will have their new texture permanently.